Is your organization struggling to maintain or update outdated core systems? Are agility, efficiency, costs, and retiring workforce driving the need to change your systems in order to enable business? Good news, you are not alone. Many organizations try to update their existing core systems and applications with the latest innovations, to varying degrees of success. This often results in tremendous costs and endless projects. You might even disrupt the current business or technical operations by affecting the heart of your business. So, how can you perform a surgery on the heart of your business without bringing your organization and operations to a halt? Rather than completely re-engineering or rebuilding applications from scratch, we at Deloitte offer you Application Modernization as a starting point for your modernization efforts. Our approach migrates your existing screens, legacy codes, and data in a fully automated way, resulting in a functionally equivalent core system written in modern languages with a web-based architecture. This opens the door to fully modernizing all facets in your systems, enhancing them with new functionality, platforms, and features that help your business run more efficiently and enable agility when regulations or customers demand it. Code migration opens the door to full modernization efforts. Deloitte can help you take your business to the next level through the whole operation. So, when will you conduct the surgery on the heart of your business and give new life to your existing business processes on new technology?